Foshan SAGA Machinery is located in Shunde District, Foshan City, which is famous for wood CNC machine, saw and cutting machine, wood sanding machine. We serve the customer by single source of SAGA to make our customer easy to get excellent modern technology and excellent service. Our associate factory has more than 20 years experience in woodworking machinery. SAGA team keep on developing and innovating with present new technology to make sure our customers can share the experience of the update Chinese technology. Machine provided by SAGA mostly got CE certification. Strict control on each production process combines SAGA's conception of modern industrial technology. You can expect a stable lifelong use, fine details, and good performance machine. Expect for single machine. SAGA also provide whole solution service for our customer, and we have successfully helped customer from more than 30 countries on wood door, wood floor, furniture, or even construction field. SAGA is aimed to be a professional woodworking machinery supplier from China and to be the name of new tech, stable and high performance. We come to SAGA. Welcome to experience modern Chinese technology. SAGA is willing to be your reliable partner for woodworking machine, and let us build a long-term partnership and make good cooperation.